Ever felt the anxiety of waiting for your new debit card to arrive, especially when you need it urgently? Understanding the process can ease that stress. So let's dive into the details. 1. How long does Bank of America debit card take to arrive? Waiting for a new or replacement debit card can feel like forever, especially when you need it ASAP. Typically, Bank of America debit cards take about 4 to 6 business days to arrive by mail. This timeline starts from the day the card is ordered, not from the day you report it lost or stolen. So, if you're counting the days, make sure to factor in weekends and holidays, which can delay the process a bit. But here's a tip for the impatient among us: if you need your card sooner, Bank of America offers a digital version of the card. Simply download their mobile app, and you can request a digital card to use while you're waiting for the physical one. This can be a lifesaver if you're in a pinch and need to make transactions quickly. 2. Can I track my Bank of America debit card? Ever wish you could track your debit card like a lost phone? Unfortunately, that's not an option with debit cards. Unlike phones or other GPS-enabled devices, debit cards don't come with tracking technology. So, while you can monitor your card's use and secure it with various safety measures, you can't pinpoint its exact location. This might seem like a downside, but it's a security measure. Cards without GPS chips reduce the risk of unauthorized tracking and privacy breaches. If your card does go missing, the best action is to report it immediately through Bank of America's app or by calling their customer service. They can quickly disable the lost card and issue you a new one, keeping your finances safe and sound.